Hello friends. How to install two different CMS with different IP and increase security on mikrok8s in ubuntu WSL. Aman Shariarian.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we learn how to install two different CMS such as WordPress and Joomla with different IP and increase security on mikrok8s in ubuntu WSL. First step, you must install mikrok8s classic mode. Install with this command here, and next enable DNS and storage add-ons with this command. Next, install to CMS WordPress and Joomla. Create a namespace for WordPress with this command. And create WordPress deployment with this command. Copy and paste script, save this and this script, and you can change value WordPress for database password and database name, value and database user, and deploy WordPress resources with this command. And Joomla installation, create namespace for Joomla with this command. After create namespace Joomla, deploy Joomla save to YAML file with this name, Joomla deployment YAML. Create this file and copy this script here, and you can use this and save this, and deploy Joomla resources with this command. Deploy Joomla resources, and next step, increase security with network policies. You can create network policy WordPress file with this command, and copy and paste the script here, and next apply, save this and apply WordPress network policy, and next you can use Kubernetes secrets for sensitive data, store sensitive information such as database passwords with this command. You can change this password and run this command. And you can use TLS SSL configuration, use ingress with TLS for encryption, set up TLS certificate for each service using Let's Encrypt or other methods, and apply to your ingress resources. Regular updates, next level, regularly update both WordPress and Joomla and their respective containers to patch vulnerabilities. And next, assign different IP with install metal lb or metal load balancer for load balancing. With this command for install metal load balancer, after complete install metal load balancer, create IP pools. You can create this file and copy this script with this range IP here and save this and apply metal load balancer word IP pool file, and for Joomla create this file and copy this script with this range IP here and save, and apply Joomla IP pool script with this command and assign IPs to services for WordPress. Create WordPress services.yaml file and copy this script here and save this, and for apply WordPress services, use this command and Joomla services YAML file created, and copy this command, just copy this script here and save this, and use this command for apply Joomla services, and verify the service. Use this command and this for WordPress and Joomla. For WordPress, use this command apply services, name WordPress, type load balancer, cluster IP this, and external IP this for internal and external port. And for Joomla, use this command Joomla name and look for type load balancing, cluster IP address, and external IP. Next step, enable required add-ons for install Joomla and WordPress. Enable DNS and DNS add-ons and ingress add-ons. Wait to enable ingress add-ons. After enable ingress and DNS add-ons, deploy MySQL with create MySQL deployment file and copy MySQL deployment script here, and you can change your root password and value and other things. Save this, apply the MySQL deployment with this command. After apply MySQL deployment, deploy Apache and PHP, create Apache and PHP deployment with create Apache PHP deployment file here, and you can use this script, copy, paste here, and you can save this and apply Apache and PHP deployment with this command. Apache PHP deployment apply. Next, install Joomla, access the Apache container. You can use the command. First, mikrok8s kubectl get pods command use. Wait to complete container creating. Wait. Download containers for Apache and MySQL. And next, use this command for execute container name, copy here, wait to complete this, and internal error because container creating not complete. Wait to complete this. Running Apache PHP container, status running, and you can use this command with this name for Apache PHP. For execute this container, wait to execute, and go to this directory container and exit here, get paths, MySQL container is running, and you can use execute MySQL name container here for execute, and exit here, use Apache container, and use this command for download Joomla, for example apt install wget, and exit. Use this command for download, not work, sudo apt install wget, not work, exit, apt install wget here, apt correct, and install wget command with sudo and wait to complete install wget and go to container apache php and download wget joomla file. Not work, command not found, and wget use snap install wget not work, and apt install wget apt update. Wait to complete update. Next, install wget. Not work, exit, set DNS Google. Here settings and go to container ping google.com. Not found ping. Failed to download this apt update. Again, wait to update this. Not work. And go to etc/resolve.conf. sudo apt update. Not work sudo, and update again, and wait to not resolve this address because problem internet connection, and after you can download Joomla, unzip with this command to this directory and set permission with this command and access Joomla with web browser with this address.